In Unit 3, Section 1, we're going to look at simplifying monomials and then also get into some scientific notation. First one we're going to look at here is number 1. So let's focus in on that. Now you're multiplying n squared times negative 3n to the third times 2n. Remember, this is the product rule, so if we review that basic rule, for instance, if you have x squared times x to the third, the rule says you add the exponents, that's x to the fifth. Okay, now if there's any coefficients in front, we're going to have to multiply coefficients or numbers out in front. So I really have 1n squared times negative 3n cubed times 2n. There's three monomials we're multiplying together, so I'm going to multiply 1 times negative 3 times 2. So that will be negative 6. And then I'm going to take n squared times n cubed times n to the first. That last one is n to the first, so I have to add all these exponents. So I'm going to add my 2, my 3, and my 1. So it's going to be n to the sixth. So it'll be negative 6n to the sixth. Then we're going to go down to number 7. So if I look at number 7 here, it's in parentheses negative 4x squared and then an outside power of 2. Now if you remember right, the rule for a power to an outside power, is you multiply exponents. So for instance, if I had x to the third outside power of 2, the power rule says you multiply those exponents 3 times 2, that'd be x to the sixth. Now, for number 7, we have a coefficient in front of the x squared inside parentheses, so I need to take negative 4, and I need to raise it to the second power. Negative 4 raised to the second power means negative 4 times negative 4, which is going to be 16. And then I need to do x squared to an outside power of 2. The rule says I multiply these exponents, which is x to the fourth. So number 7, the answer is positive 16x to the fourth. There's a common mistake. Kids want to do this on their calculator, and their calculator tells them negative 16. You must put parentheses around it and think about what it means. It means to multiply negative 4 times negative 4, which has to be a positive 16. So it is not equal to a negative 16. Make sure you have the right sign there.